Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can trigger the Nutty Fever progress and grow a garden. Basically, you can submit any plants you want. You do need 1,500 points, which is a lot, but it's going to help the chubby chipmunk basically do its abilities. I'm just going to select submit all fruits here. Okay, so 145 plants will give you 700 points. So here I'm just going to harvest more of my plants. Hopefully it's going to be enough. Just plant a lot of coconuts. I've said this before, and for this one again, it's just easy, okay? I know it does take a long time for coconuts to grow, but it does give a lot of points for a lot of the plants here. Just going to harvest a lot. As you can see, I have a lot of plants on this garden. There we go, max backpack. Let's see if I'm able to trigger the weather. As you can see, it says Chubby Chipmunk has entered a Nutty Fever for basically 5 minutes, and it's going to, oh no, okay. And hopefully it's able to gain a lot of weight. Okay, so it will perform its ability every 30 seconds rather than like every, I think it was 2 minutes or 1 minute and a half. I think it's more. Maybe it's more, but now when there's a Nutty Fever, it's going to use its abilities every 30 seconds, which is cool, but it's just annoying having to oh no, it's gone. It's annoying to have to, like, I guess, submit a lot of plans for this. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!